World Elephant Day, 12th August. World Elephant Day is an international annual event on August 12 dedicated to the preservation and protection of the world's elephants. Goal. The goal of International Elephant Day is to create awareness of the urgent plight of African and Asian elephants and to share knowledge and positive solutions for the better care and management of captive and wild elephants. African elephants are listed as vulnerable and Asian elephants as endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. One conservationist has stated that both African and Asian elephants face extinction within 12 years. History. Conceived in 2011 by Canadian filmmakers Patricia Sims and Michael Clark of Canaswest Pictures and Sivapon Dardarananda, Secretary General of Elephant Reintroduction Foundation in Thailand, the day was officially founded, supported and launched by Patricia Sims and the Elephant Reintroduction Foundation on August 12, 2012. Since that time, Patricia Sims continues to lead and direct World Elephant Day, which is now supported by over 65 wildlife organizations and many individuals in countries across the globe. The film Return of Forrest, narrated by William Shatner, is about the reintroduction of captive Asian elephants to the wild and was released on the inaugural World Elephant Day on 12 August 2012. The follow-up feature film, When Elephants Were Young, also narrated by William Shatner, depicts the life of a young man and young elephant in Thailand. Threats that elephants basically face: poaching, human-elephant conflict, mistreatment in captivity. Solutions for the threats: together work towards better protection for wild animals, improve enforcement policies to prevent illegal poaching, improve the legal trade of ivory, conserve the habitats of elephants, provide better treatment for captive elephants. When it is appropriate, then reintroduce captive elephants into the natural habitat. Protect sanctuaries is one of the goals of several elephant conservation organizations and focus around the world. Facts about the African elephants. According to WWF, approximately the population of African elephants is 4,15,000 in the wild. The scientific name of the elephant is Loxodonta africana. Shoulder height is 11 feet and weight is 6 tons. The length is 19 to 24 feet. There are two species of African elephants, the savanna or bush elephants and the forest elephants. Savanna elephants are larger than forest elephants and their tusks curve outwards. Forest elephants are darker and their tusks are straighter and point downward. Significance of the day. World Elephant Day is an opportunity for everyone to get together to find ways to reduce conflict between human and elephants. The solution probably lies in a combination of strategies. These could include land development that minimizes habitat destruction, electric fences to keep elephants away from farms, and changes in local attitudes. How to celebrate? The best way to celebrate the day is to educate yourself and others about this magnificent animal that is an elephant. It is necessary to raise issues that these animals face, and social media is the best platform for this. People watch documentary on elephants as this makes us realize about wildlife and about problems that animals face, which can be an eye-opener. People donate on this day to a foundation dedicated to protecting elephants from poachers or relocating them to locations better suited their needs.